Cancerians, how are you doing? My name is Falguni and I'm here to do your December monthly reading. This will be for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Please check your placements before watching the reading. It is a general reading. It will not resonate with all of you. If your message does not lie in this placement, then it might be in some other placement of yours. So please watch the readings accordingly, and uh, it will be a very general reading that I'll be doing. It won't be career or love specific as such. So I'll just read it how it comes. I'll read the message how it comes, and let's begin and let's see Cancerians for the first part of December. For the first part of December, Cancerians, from 1st to the 10th of December, what will be your energy like? Let's see. For the first part of December, from the 1st till the 10th of December, what will be your energy like? Let's see. From the 1st till the 10th of December, what will be your energy like? Let's find out. What will be your energy like? From the 1st till the 10th of December. Okay, Cancerian. So your energy will be, you will be in sort of a bit of ripeness. I mean, you will be waiting for the right time. Okay, you will feel that this is the right time to release all the burdens and move to calmer waters. You will feel that this is the time when things are supposed to get matured and should start moving forward after a long time of struggle. I mean, you will get your get the fruits of your labor in a way. Okay, so let's clarify this and see what does it exactly have to say. Okay, so what does the ripeness card here about? Let's clarify the ripeness card. Let's clarify the ripeness card for Cancerians for the first part of December, from the 1st till the 10th of December. Also, I forgot to tell you that if you want to book a personal reading with me, you may reach out to me on my email address given in the description box below, right? Let's see. Let's see. Let's clarify the ripeness card for Cancerians for the first part of December, from the 1st till the 10th of December. Okay. All right. Okay. So you have the Hierophant, the Two of Pentacles, and the High Priestess. So you'll feel that this is the right time when you should stop juggling on whether you should stay quiet and remain quiet about your feelings, or you should let your feelings known. Okay, Hierophant, as you know, is the card of commitment. So you have some sort of commitment coming towards you, I feel, and you are still deciding on it because you are juggling that if you should keep the feelings to yourself or if you should tell the person. Okay, you're juggling and you're silent about the situation because you're not sure if you should take a leap of faith in this direction or not, if you should make this official or not. But now you will feel that this is the right time. In the first part of December, you will have that feeling that this is the right time when you should take a leap of faith and you should express your feelings towards that person, or make things official with that person. You will no longer keep it a secret or keep it under wraps, or you will no longer be indecisive about the situation. Okay, so that is what I'm getting. All right, so let's see for the next part of December. What do you have for the next part of December? For the next part of December, from the 11th till the 20th of December, from the 11th till the 20th of December, what will be your energy like? What will be your energy like, Cancerians? What will be your energy like from the 11th till the 20th of December? From the 11th till the 20th of December, let's find out. From the 11th till the 20th of December. So your energy will be of being alone. I don't know why there is a shift in the energy again. Okay, so you'll be feeling the need to be alone at this time, or you are feeling alone because of a certain ending. Okay, certain ending that has happened in a situation. Because of that, you'll be feeling alone. Okay, okay. Okay, it's possible in the first part of December you were not ready to take the risk and you held back your feelings. You thought that this is the time to let go of this person because it doesn't seem right to take this forward. And in the second part of December, you will be feeling that loneliness because of this person's because of the void that you'll be feeling due to this person's absence. Okay, so there is a rebirth that you expect in the situation or something like that. That is the energy you will carry forward. I mean, you want things to be better between you and the other person, basically. That is what I feel. Let's see, let's clarify the aloneness card. You are right now being alone and gaining a lot of wisdom during this time. You're gaining a lot of insights about the situation, a lot of clarity about the situation, which is very good. Okay, so Cancerians, let's clarify the aloneness card for you. What is the aloneness card here about? What is the aloneness card here about? What is the aloneness card here about? What's the aloneness card here about? Let's find out. Okay, so you have the Four of Swords, the Justice, and the Fool. The Four of Swords, the Justice, and the Fool. So here what you'll do is, you're feeling alone because I told you, you feel that the situation was unfair between you two. You feel that there was no justice served in the situation because uh, you did not want to take the risk, and you refrained from taking the risk of making the move, and committing or maybe sharing your feelings with this person. I told you in the first part you were confused whether to share the feelings or not. In the second part, again, you are feeling the need. I mean, you somehow feel that it was unfair on your part, or maybe on their part, that they did not approach you and they did not express their feelings, they did not want to take the risk with you, and there was a lack of acceptance of offer. The offer wasn't accepted. Someone did not accept the offer. Basically, that is the case. And you're resting it out, and you are ready to take a leap of faith in a new direction altogether. Now, that is what you feel would be right for you, because the situation was not fair between you and the other person. Now you feel that the situation would be better if you take a leap of faith in a new direction, maybe completely alone, to be single from all these things that have been going on, and you want to move to a new calmer waters, and you want to take a new approach, a new direction, a new offer towards somewhere else. That is what I'm getting, basically. Okay, so you're resting it out, you're taking your time out during this time. You are feeling alone, but you're trying to heal from the situation altogether, so that you can begin a new chapter in your life, and you can let the good karma flow to you. That is what you want. Okay, in the second part of December. All right, next let's see what is going to be in the third part of December. So Cancerians, what is there for you in the third part of December? What will be your energy like in the third part of December, from the 21st till the 31st of December? From the 21st till the 31st of December, what will be your energy like? Let's see. What will be your energy like, Cancerians? Let's see. What will be your energy like? Let's see. So energy will be Cancerians of rebirth. Oh, again, I told you rebirth has come out itself. So I was telling you, in the second part of December, you feel the need to reconnect, reconcile with someone. You want a rebirth in the situation now. Though you were trying to move on and begin a new chapter in your life in the second part of December, you are not able to do that fully in the third part, and that makes you more prone to feel the burden of reconnecting or reconciling with the person again. You want a rebirth in the situation because it's causing a lot of burden and stress to you at this time. Let's clarify this card. Okay, what is the rebirth card here about? What is the rebirth card here about for third part of December for Cancerians? What is the card rebirth? What is the rebirth here about? Let's clarify for Cancerians for the third part of December, from the 21st till the 31st of December. Let's see. Okay. Yes. So you are basically feeling left out. Okay, because of whatever has happened between you two. I don't know why you did not pick up any major, work related, career related energy, to be very honest. Okay, if it has to do with something related to your work, then you have been juggling stuff and you're trying to heal from some losses also, if it is related to your work. Okay, now what I'm telling you is for the rebirth. This is Five of Pentacles and Ten of Wands and the Ten of Pentacles that you have. So you want a rebirth in the situation because you feel left out, you feel burdened, you feel heavily, you know, bogged down by the situation. Somehow you feel that this is draining you mentally, and you cannot take this burden anymore, and you want to relieve yourself from that burden, and you want a long term stable life of yours. You want a stability in your life, so you'll be waiting for the situation to get better and revive. That is what you will feel, and you will be waiting for it to happen desperately. And if suppose you've suffered some kind of loss, you want the losses to be covered now. You want the losses to be recovered. You want a profit in the situation. You want things to get better so that you can have a long term stability. So you are putting in the work and waiting for things to happen. You're putting in the work and you're waiting for the results to show. That is your waiting. You're waiting for the results to show clearly. Let's see. Let's see what is the overall guidance for you Cancerians for the month of December. Let's see what is the overall guidance for you Cancerians for the month of December. Overall guidance for you Cancerians for the month of December. Overall guidance for you Cancerians for the month of December. Overall guidance for you Cancerians for the month of December. Let's see. Okay. So you need to see the clarity in the situation. Maybe you are illusioned. This is beyond illusion. That is the card. So you are not able to see beyond illusion, and the advice is to see beyond illusion. You are illusioned by certain factors. You lack the clarity. You lack the perception of reality. I mean, you are not seeing the picture for how it is. You're ignoring the reality. You're just in a denial mode in your mind. Okay, and you are just ignoring for things, and you ignoring the things for how it is. Okay, and they are supposed to be like that. So in that way you will be able to start a new adventure in your life, a new chapter in your life altogether, if you are able to see clearly. So this is like a wake up call, and you should meditate to gain clarity. You see how the card is. This person is with the closed eyes and everything. You need to meditate, deeply focus, so that you get your answers. All right, Cancerians, I hope you enjoyed this reading. I will see you soon in the next reading. Till then, stay safe and stay blessed. I love you, Cancerians. Thank you. Namaste.